Guys, let's make some taquitos. You start with our mixture. I got pulled pork and sharp white cheddar cheese. Get it mixed up really good. It's ready. Big old heaping mound in the center of each. This is how we fold them. Mush it together, over the top, pull it back, one more fold. Here, we'll do it again. Mush it together, over the top, pull it back, one more fold. That's it. We're gonna put the two seams together, secure that with a couple of toothpicks. Ready to go. 350-degree oil. You know the routine, till they're golden brown. Look at that. Let those cool off just a second. Go ahead and pull them apart. Get those toothpicks out of there. Now you're ready. And just get in there and enjoy. I got some tomatillo salsa. Wow, what a treat. Cheers, everyone.